stop. Before you delete that old video from your channel, give me 2 minutes. Because one wrong click can wipe out thousands of watch hours, and YouTube will never give them back. Delete or private? Today, we settle it. First, deleting. When you delete a video, it is gone forever. Not the recycle bin, gone. YouTube support cannot restore it. And the video is not the only thing that leaves. Its views leave, its watch time leaves, its comments, its likes, its analytics, all deleted with it. Your subscribers stay. They are attached to your channel, not that video. But everything else, it is not coming back. Now, private. A private video disappears from the public, but it does not disappear from you. The file, the data, the comments, everything sits safely in your studio. Changed your mind next month? One click, and it is public again. But here is the part most creators miss. While a video is private, its watch hours stop counting toward your monetization progress. Same for Unlisted. YouTube only counts valid public watch hours from the last 12 months. So which one hurts more? Both drop your numbers. The difference is whether you can undo it. So the rule is simple. When in doubt, don't delete. Private it. And if you are close to monetization right now, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours, don't touch anything. One removed video can push you back under the line. 2 bonus tips before you go. 1. Unlisted. Nobody finds it in search or on your channel, but anyone with the link can still watch. It is the gentlest way to hide old content. 2. If the only problem is a bad thumbnail or a weak title, don't remove the video at all. Swap the thumbnail, rewrite the title. The video stays, the data stays, and it might finally take off. Only truly delete when it is copyright trouble, false information, or something personal that genuinely should not be online. Delete is an emergency button. For everyday cleanup, use private or unlisted. Your channel's history is an asset. Don't erase it by accident. If this saved you a mistake, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.